Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Mishak Mate. So yesterday I was busy scrolling on X when I saw or read the news that Eskom is celebrating making about, I think, 16 billion from financial year end in 2025. So I was very much disappointed that Eskom was not designed to make profit. Yes, it shouldn't run in a loss, because obviously it is going to ask for bailouts from government, like we've seen with your like your South African Airways, your PRASA, all these SOEs. So yes, they're not supposed to run in a loss, but they must at least, if they make profit, it should be around 2 million, 3 million. And then that's when they will perhaps have more people to work for that SOE than to celebrate profit, because SOEs are not designed to make profit. And imagine now, a lot of people are crying about high prices of electricity, and then Eskom, on the other end, is celebrating high profit, because a lot of people are struggling with this electricity. I think I spent like 3.5 for electricity, and then I see Eskom celebrating, taking money from me. Well, guys, at least if they were talking about your 5 million, 10 million profit, that's much understandable. But 16 billion, obviously it's our man. It's our man that we're crying about every day, to say electricity is high in South Africa. So it's not like Eskom is performing. Eskom is not performing. They are just charging us high prices so that they can report profits. Like it shouldn't be something that we cry about if perhaps they say Eskom is running perhaps on a 2 million loss. It's fine as long as South Africans are buying electricity in a cheaper price. But now if they say they've made 16 billion profit, like, that's basically taking from the poor. It's like now a criminal who once took your phone and then comes to you month end and say, hey, you know what, I've worked this month, I've collected about 30 phones, that gave me something like 20,000. So hey, it's really good. So like, it's really good to be a criminal. So that's simply like much like that, because Eskom shouldn't celebrate like such a profit. They should instead reduce their prices, because we are paying a lot for Eskom. So they cannot now come and celebrate in our faces to say they've made 16 billion. Now, guys, we're taken for a ride as South Africans. I believe as we head into the local elections next year, I believe people are going to make right choices, because it seems like these people are not respecting us. Because even Cyril Ramaphosa, I believe, was